All right, so we are currently getting a trade back up into this level. We are looking for price to trade higher, come back a little higher into our range. Once we get that, we'll be looking to take a short. It's possible that we probably won't even come back that high. Let's see. I would like to engage it here or up here where this red box is at. But if price is too bearish, then we might just be looking to take the short here. Once the price shifts back below this low. And we got that. We're looking to go to sell 2 there.
Order filled.
See how this plays out. So I'm getting that retracement higher.
Stop
should
fill.
have waited for that one. Man, I'm wondering if it could distribute all the way back above these highs. I took these lows down here. We have some market decoupling as well, with ES taking this low, but Nasdaq not. So let's see if we'll get it a little higher. A little higher. think at this point, I'm gonna wait for the market to open. We got our level that we want to see. Price comes into it, it does. If it doesn't, then we'll look for another entry lower. So we are getting that run lower, but we gotta trade. We gotta push higher. Would love to see some buy side cleared out. Maybe this, maybe these highs cleared, possibly back up into there and then tank lower. Get that push above these highs here. Now, if it closes back below this low, then want to see it back above this high. If we can get it back above 857, then we can get that run on these highs here. But it needs to close back above there though. And I'm not willing to take this trade with us being so close to the opening bell. Like I said, we can get a whiplash above these highs. Um, just for prices, saying then prices start going lower again. So now we just gotta wait, and wasn't able to get this entry up here. Now we gotta wait. Man, I'm so tempted to take this. We got about 5 minutes until the open. All right, we got that opening bell. See if it goes any higher than this. Reach for our It'll push for 897. We got 897. It is now going higher. We got that run above that level there, like I anticipated. Now let's see if this will break down. We got SMTs at those highs. Oh, so we might not get ES or Nasdaq to take that low if ES is already running lower, but Nasdaq is trading higher. Now I want to see some breakdown. Just continuing to go. We got pricing into a fair value gap. Dow is just selling while Nasdaq is running higher. So we got a very bullish Nasdaq right now. Back into the midnight open. Ooh, Nasdaq. I'm not willing to take any of this. No sirree, Bob. So we're going to play ES as the once we can start getting ES to show some willingness that it wants to go lower, we're gonna trade ES. Because again, the target is still previous week's low. Nasdaq is going crazy right now. Alright, so yeah. still bearish. All we got in this crazy run higher. There has been no change in the steady delivery on the 4 hour. About to get this candle closure on this 4 hour, which will also set up the 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. reversal that I'm looking for. So I want to see price stay below here and start showing some willingness to trade lower. Even if it comes back above this high here, the high that was just created that ran that, I'll allow for that. But I want to start seeing some breaking down here at this time. So we still got about 20 more minutes left until this candle closure. So start to see price start reversing soon. Here's where I want to start seeing this breakdown happen. All right, we're getting that breakdown now. Once I get a retracement back up higher, I'll be looking to go short. Come on, a little higher. I want to see a bounce. Get me back a little higher. Take it there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Take another one. And again, we're looking for previous week's low.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, we got
Order filled. Order filled.
So we're looking for previous day's low. At 763. $388. Getting good runs now. I like the idea of holding for full stop here, down into here. See how it looks when price starts to roll over. that fall through and continue to stay heavy here. Getting the ideas that we're going to look to target previous week's low. Now I like to see some rejection here. Show up next leg lower, next expansion phase lower here. Follow through. Okay, we're bleeding, we're bleeding, we're bleeding. Looking for prices stay low here. See this area right here provide some support, and we're not getting that support. See, get it back up here. Get back below that low. Good trade. Good. Looking good. Looking good. See it stay low here. I think this is a bad trade now. We're gonna hold it. See what's happening. It's a bad trade. I'm gonna kick it
Order
there.
filled.
See if we can get another entry. So what'll probably happen is ES will take this high here, and Nasdaq will not, and then we will have that run to the downside. I know I should have cut it right here though. When I seen this drop down, it was gonna come back higher. No bigs. Still in good shape. Just looking for these this change in the state of delivery to start occurring. Start getting some gaps in price. Once this breakdown happens, we are looking to go short.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I think we're about to get our move lower. Either way, this will be our last trade for today. I'm not gonna beat a dead horse, especially if I'm on the wrong side of the market. to start seeing some follow through happen now. You see some follow through. This is good follow through right here. Would love to see it below here.
Order filled.
Shit. A little too heavy in this position than what I'd like to be. See this follow through. Sustain moves lower. I'm gonna reduce my stop some more to previous 4-hour open at 73.98.
Order filled.
Again, fall through is the fall through. We're looking for the fall through. Prices continue to expand lower. I like to take something off here back at old session. Take off something there. I'm gonna take off half of this position here. Back below those lows. price to give this back up and come back lower. Good support here. Raise this one out. You want to see that. You want to see price continue to come lower. It's good fall through, good fall through, good fall through. Good fall through. Good fall through, good fall through. Again, we're looking for that. We're gonna take our cut at half of the position off there. We can now start to look to reduce the stop as well. I don't anticipate it to come back above that fair value gap high. You see that, give it back up. Give all of that back up. And run lower. You can see it down here. Come on, y'all. We got Nasdaq doing what it's supposed to do. Trending very low. We waiting for Dow to catch up. Or not, ES to catch up. We have ES back below previous day's low. Now there we go. We're getting that fall through. We're getting that fall through.
Order filled.
All right, again, we're looking for A63. Currently can go break even now. We got Nasdaq close to its low, to that previous week's low.
Order filled.
Let's give it back up. Let's give it back up. Let's give it back up. That's the reaction that we wanted to see, and we have Nasdaq just taking its low. I want to see ES follow up. Just in case it doesn't, though, we're gonna go break even. Because a win is a win is a win is a win is a win. Let's see Nasdaq follow. Let's see ES follow up with that. We're gonna take our position off.
Order filled.
There we go. And we have hit our profit objective for the day. Great trade, great trade, great trade. Time to break this on down. So what we had was the market was finding some support here. Pre opening bell session, consolidating here within this fair value gap. Traded into here. All you see the bodies respecting the middle midpoint of this box, this gap, the mean threshold. Opening bell happened, price traded lower, accumulated previous day's low, ran back higher into that gap, while ES, if we look at Nasdaq on the side of this high, you see that these highs, Nasdaq ran here, while ES did not take those highs here. It left them intact. That gave me an indication that, okay, we are still bearish. Price is still seeking below the market. Just looking for it. And now it's at that point, it's now you're looking for an entry. You let Nasdaq do what it do. And then once Nasdaq started to show me that it was breaking down, I knew that this will be the easier sell, because this was a lower high was created rather than an upper high. When it's a stop hunt, theoretically, the market should you should see some energetic price move happening in the weaker asset, which was ES. So now we're getting that fall through that we wanted to see in ES. Drop down to a lower. I think I'm gonna have to go back to in that position up here where I closed early. So you see that it closed it early. Was looking at that high to be ran out, and then I went short once more. And we got what we were looking for. Great trading day today. Risk was managed. Didn't have to take too many trades. Solid day. And that is the business.